Hey guys, so today we're going to do a bike trip. I ride the Colt Van grips. They're pretty comfy, I mean. They're not the worst grips. They're not really durable, but yeah, they come with good bars, you can't just see it. Colt Leader V2 bars, 8 1/4 inch rise, 29 3/4 width. The Demolition V2 stealth stem. I had stripped the bolt. Anyways, don't worry about that. It's never slipped. It's doing good. I put this piece on upside down by accident. Stolen cherry frame. Just got that like a few days ago. Demolition Momentum tires. They're nice tires. Demolition Elite forks. Stock Verde rim. Eastern Venus front hub. I guess I didn't say it. Stolen cherry frame. And a 20.6 animal patch seat with a stolen thurmalite seat post. Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. With the Eastern Medusa lite sprocket. With a Odyssey twisted PC pedal and an Animal Hamilton. Same back tires to front, Demolition Momentum. Alienation Rush V2 free coaster. With the Shadow Interlock Master Link, I think. That's pretty much it. That's my bike check. There will be clips of me riding later on once I get better. I think it comes around 20 pounds. I'm not sure. I like to tell everybody it's 28 though. Oh, a Demolition headset with this carbon fiber spacer some guy at the skate park gave to me. Okay, well, thanks for watching then. I'll have some clips up later. Let me know what you think. No trolls.